This video is for Pinky, the painter. She was asking, how is my arbor after a year? Actually, it was September 23rd, 2022. So it's been like a year and a half, and there's no rust that I can see on here. It's just, I mean, there might be like some in there, and if I would have pulled it down further, I'm almost 75 years old. So for over a year and a half, looks like a little split there, but you can see there's water in my yard, so it's pretty much taking up what water I guess it gets, and it has a little bit of rust to it. But all in all, for a year and a half, I'm surprised, since I put it up all by myself, that it's still staying up. Anyway, I hope that answers your question, Pinky the painter. Thanks for the question. Have a great day.